Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we convert our Excel file to a PDF file. So let's go. First of all, we simply go to our Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. I need to click on I love PDF. Just click on this and here we need to click on first link. Click on this. And here we have an option of how we convert our Excel to a PDF. Simply click on this Excel to a PDF file. We need to select the files and this is my Excel file. I need this. Click on this file and here we can convert our Excel file to a PDF file. Now we need to download this file and here I am going to paste it in the desktop and this is my file. Here you can see this is all the details that are in my Excel sheet. Now it's converted into a PDF file. So by using this simple step, we can easily convert our Excel file to a PDF file. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.